This is Spencer Lee, CEO of Quinlan, and I'm sitting down with Pamela Quinlan, Channel Manager at SNOM. Pam joins us at our Quinlan SNOM 3CX training event here in Tampa. Pam, thanks so much for joining us.
Thanks for having me. We love coming here. It's awesome.
Yeah, we've done a couple of these so far, and I think we've got some others in the works coming up in the next few months, which is great. Always nice getting our mutual partners together, being able to socialize with them, doing some product training, talking about new opportunities.
Yeah, building those relationships, it makes a big difference, doesn't it?
Absolutely. You work with people all the time, whether that's video conferencing or over the phone, but actually being able to see people face to face is great.
Yeah, it makes a big difference, I feel like.
Yeah.
I'm glad you guys do these because then I get to meet, all the MSPs that we don't get to see, like you said, and it just helps.
Yeah. It's always, great to kind of, hear about what's new coming out of product lines from the different vendors, and it's new and exciting. So we always use these opportunities to make some announcements. So on that vein, is there anything exciting that SNOM has coming out?
Yes.
Share?
Yeah, absolutely. So SNOM, we do have this out now. It's the M500 series, and basically it's like the old keyline systems, only it's BLF over decked. So it's amazing. All the people that used to use analog can switch over to this. Like, it's really good for like restaurants, auto shop places, any small local owner of any business, like even dentist office, my eye doctor's office are using these right now. So, what it is, it's a decked product. So you have the decked handset, and then you have the decked desk set, and then you have a base station. Everything's run off the base station, and it's very user-friendly, very easy to use for the end user, and there's no wiring. So your MSPs can actually plug it in and go, and so they can start their MRR like immediately, which is really good. There's nothing that they really have to do.
You don't have to worry about pulling any new lines or
right.
anything. It's all running over deck. I mean, that makes a lot of sense, especially for we have a number of partners that have massive chains of hundreds.
Right. Yes.
Retail.
That's perfect.
Have 2-3 handsets at each location, but the rollout is timely.
Yeah, it's awesome. Right, and 3CX is certifying it. It should be ready in November with the SBC. So.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah.
We'll have template in there.
Yep.
Be ready to go.
Yeah, we're really excited about it, and it's taken off really well. It's really grown.
Good
so
much so far.
Yeah, so far so good.
Awesome. Well, I know we've been working with you guys for a number of years now, and it's just been such a great relationship. When we've talked to a lot of we are hardware agnostic. We do have other hardware on our platform, but when we're working directly with you guys, you bring some really interesting things to the table that I don't see with other manufacturers.
Yeah.
That 3-year warranty, and like I say, if our partners are signing 3-year contracts
right.
with their end customer.
Exactly.
And then they're getting a 3-year manufacturer warranty.
That's a win-win, right? Yeah, absolutely. And it's also advanced replacement. So not only do you get the 3-year warranty, but if something would go wrong, which it usually doesn't, but sometimes things happen, and we will send a new phone out and a call tag for the old phone. So the MSPs don't have to send a tech out or spend time, and money it costs them to do all that. And so we kind of take care of that for them.
Well, that's so nice. So if you've done the install and you have an issue with the handset, you don't have to, and the end user doesn't have to be without a phone for however long to get it replaced, and
right.
The partner doesn't need to do any stocking. You guys are handling all that.
We ship it right from our San Antonio warehouse, and it goes straight to the customer. So it's pretty awesome. People love that. They don't love it if they have to get a new phone, but like I said, it doesn't happen very often. But part of the job that we have to do, we were talking about this earlier, is you can sell people things, but if you don't have the service behind the sale, then you're going to fail.
Absolutely.
You totally will. And I just feel like Quinlan has done that with their partners, and they provide a great service, and I feel like we do the same. You know, we have North American-based support. You can talk to our sales engineers. In fact, we brought one with us this time, Liz.
That's great.
She is. And then we have 2 more engineers for the U.S., and then we have like product development, research, and then we have our warehouse in San Antonio. So, and all the salespeople as well. We're all open and easy to get a hold of. But the biggest thing about us, I would say, is our support team, because you can email them or send a ticket in, whichever way you prefer to do it, and they'll get back to you within, you know, less than maybe 3 hours.
Well, because everyone's local. You actually have, you know, staff members, you know, in North America and in North America accounts.
Right.
And, you know, what I find a lot of the times too is, you know, when you've got a partner dealing with, an end user, it's a large end user, and they need like a deal reg. Well, now you guys actually know the industry, know the market. You know, you're not, you know, having a totally foreign thought. You know, like, okay, well, let me try to learn about what's happening.
Right.
I mean, that's definitely important. And you know, we're local with you guys too, so we got to do things like we do events like this.
Yeah.
You know, whether it's in Tampa or
Vegas.
The little plug there. I think we'll be making an announcement soon. But yeah, we gotta you know, be more hands-on with these partners, and I saw a lot of similarities between the 2 companies.
I feel like that's why we partner so good together.
Yeah.
Because you guys take care of your customers and we take care of ours, and it's just a good blend. You know, we don't try to pretend that we're perfect, and you guys don't either, but we do a darn good job of what we do, I feel like.
Absolutely. Yeah, definitely agree with that. Well, we're looking forward to to more of these. Like I said, we've got a lot in the works, and building more connections as we're talking with these partners. So thank you so much for supporting us in this event. I always love having you here personally as well.
Yeah.
Looking forward to maybe some cocktails tonight at our after hours.
Absolutely. Yeah. So SNOM and Tellen go together like peanut butter and jelly. I have to say that because Zach, that's what we started. Peanut butter and jelly. Salt and pepper.
That's good. I like that. Well, Pam, thanks so much for sitting down with me today. We'll keep doing this.
All right.
All right.